Hello everyone, I am Vivek Singh Rawat, student of Sage University Bhopal in the School of Agriculture, and today I am going to present my topic fungal genetics in the guidance of Dr. Jayasamba ma'am. In today's presentation, I will cover introduction of fungi, characteristics of kingdom fungi, structure of fungi, fungal genetics, study of heredity and variation, fungal genome, nucleus trait, Homo and heterokaryons, and at last we will end with some questions and presentation. Fungal genetics. The timeline given to us is 5 May to 20 June, in which we have to complete our activities like data collection, data analysis, data correction, and report and PPT preparation. Introduction. Fungus is a eukaryote that digests food externally and absorbs nutrients directly through its cell walls. Most fungi reproduce by spores and have a body thallus of microscopic tubular cells called hyphae. Fungi are heterotrophs and, like animals, obtain their carbon and energy from other organisms. Characteristics. Somatic body of fungus thallus, loosely aggregated somatic hyphae, mycelium. Separation. Aseptate, coencytic or septate, simple pore septum, dolipore septum, hostoria organ for absorption of nutrition. Structure of fungi. They can be either single-celled or multicellular organisms. Fungi consist of long thread-like structure known as hyphae. These hyphae together form a mesh-like structure called mycelium. Fungi possess a cell wall which is made up of chitin and polysaccharides. Now, the genetics of fungi. Introduction. Fungal genetics is the study of genome structure of fungus cell body, in which we study about heredity in fungi, nucleus trait of fungi, and many more. Study of heredity and variation. Transmission, the passage of traits from one generation to next generation. Population genetic diversity and change within natural populations. Molecular details of gene structures and functions. Our focus, transmission and molecular genetics in experimental systems. Fungal genome. Fungal nuclei are predominantly haploid, that they contain only one set of chromosomes. This character is useful in the study of mutations, which are usually recessive and therefore masked in diploid organisms. Mutational dissection is an important technique for the study of biological process, and the use of haploid organisms conveniently allows for the immediate expression of mutant genes. Nucleus traits. Each fungus can be found in variety of nucleus traits, that is, the number of nuclei ploidy and the degree of duplication haploidy diploidy can vary throughout the life cycle of the fungus. Though most commonly haploid, each fungus may have significant periods in each part of the life cycle. Homo and heterokaryons. Homokaryotic refers to multicellate cells. Multiple nuclei share one common cytoplasm, as it is found in hyphal cells or mycelium of filamentous fungi, where all nuclei are genetically identical. Heterokaryotic refers to cell where two or more genetically different nuclei share one common cytoplasm. It is neither 1n or 2n. Conclusion. The nucleus contains most of the genetic material of the cell. The nucleus controls the function of the cell. In fungi, the thallus is commonly haploid for a significant part of the life cycle, and thus selection against undesirable mutations is immediate. However, a wide range of variations on the basic theme in a cell cycle indicate that more than one strategy of nuclear behavior can lead to successful outcomes. Now, questions. First, multiple nuclei share one common cytoplasm are known as dash. Second, fungal nuclei are dominantly haploid, predominantly haploid, dominantly diploid, predominantly diploid. Third question, fungi reproduce from sexually, asexually, both A and B, none of the above. Fourth, thread-like structure in fungi are hyphae, mycelium, chromosome, chitin. Fifth question, choose the correct labeling of the diagram. First, A cap, B stalk, C gills, D hyphae, or second, A gills, B stalk, C hyphae, D cap. Third, A hyphae, B stalk, C gills, D cap. Fourth, A cap, B gills, C stalk, D hyphae. Now the answers. First question's answer is homokaryotic. Second question's answer is second, predominantly haploid. Third question's answer is third, both A and B. Fourth question's answer is first, hyphae. Fifth question's answer is fourth, A cap, B gills, C stalk, D hyphae. Thank you.